Program to find the type of angle. To create an AI Connect program to determine the type of the angle, create a project. In this project, create a basic coding activity. Then follow the given steps. Step 1. Create a variable called angle. Drag out its set block. Attach an int block to it. Attach an input block that asks the user for a number. Step 2. Drag the if-do block from logic category and add 3 else if and 1 else to the if-do block. Step 3. Add logical and relational blocks in if portion of if-do block to form the logic for an acute angle. Add print block to print acute angle if the angle is greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. Step 4. Add logical and relational blocks in the first else if portion of if-do block to form the logic for the right angle. Add print block to print right angle if the angle is equal to 90 degrees. Step 5. Add logical and relational blocks in second else if portion of if-do block to form the logic for the obtuse angle. Add print block to print obtuse angle if the angle is greater to 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Step 6. Add logical and relational blocks in third else if portion of if-do block to form the logic for the straight angle. Add print block to print straight angle if the angle is equal to 180 degrees. Step 7. Add print block in else portion of if-do block to print enter a proper value less than equals to 180 if the angle is greater than 180 degrees.